Here's the easiest way to edit and delete text in PDF documents. We'll use the free tool, Canva. Go to canva.com. On the home page, press this Upload button here. Now you're going to press Upload and select your PDF file. Go to the Projects tab on the side, and our PDF will be the first document under the Recent heading. Click on it. Canva automatically detects all the areas of text in the PDF. Clicking on any of the text boxes gives you the ability to move them around the page, or to change the size of the text by dragging one of the corners. The trash icon above the text box lets you delete that text from the page. I'll undo that by pressing the Undo button at the top here. You can also double-click on any text box to gain access to the actual text itself. I'll highlight and delete this first paragraph, and I'll add in a sentence in that same text box. Now that we're done, press File, then Download. We'll need to change the file type here to PDF Standard. If you're going to print the document, then pick PDF Print instead, and then press Download.